Hey guys, before I start this video, I just want to announce that I recently got 187 subscribers. And I also want to say before I start recording that I am kind of sick and my voice will be really scratchy. So I'm going to try not talking as much, and I might not talk at all during this video. Of course I'm going to talk, but I'm not going to talk as much. And, well, I'm sorry if you don't like it when I don't talk, honestly. Whatever. I can't talk very much, my throat is very scratchy, and it hurts. But also, before I start the video again, I want to say a quick thanks to Ches AJ for making me a new intro. I honestly don't ever use my intro hardly ever, but I'm going to use it for this video. Thank you so much for the intro, Ches, and let's get started on the video. Okay guys, so this is the first trade. I personally don't like invaders. I don't trust invaders. I never will, ever since I tried to trade for my Scented Candle. I traded for Scented Candle. I said it's fair amount. I traded like 3 long wristbands for it, and I got an underpaid, but I mean, I never got my worth out of it. I was gonna trade it away, no one ever accepted my trade, and they canceled. So I got really disappointed, so I don't trust invaders anymore. Okay guys, I don't know what this is worth. I'm personally just trying to get offers for Pokemon because I'm trying to add this and other stuff to trade up. So, sorry. So guys, real quick, because I just remembered, Adriel's commercial person, but, I really love Julia Big Slippers. I'm gonna stop them as much as I can for them. Still having like to do giveaways. But I just really want to find good, a good trade for the Snow Leopard Slippers that isn't every item I know. So if you have a set, not a set, if you have Snow Leopard Slippers and you're willing to trade them for under, if you could jack me and mention that, yeah, you do that, if you would take like an Orgelon or a Greenlawn or something for them, that would be great. Thanks. Okay guys, so I got offered this art. I was about to decline, but I offered, oh yeah, I'm doing the video, but anyway, I got offered this really good art for my Orc Wars, but I'm not looking for art for long colors. So, yeah. This is not at all a fair trade to sell decided items. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I don't know yet what any of these items are, because I'm not opening them during the reaction, but could you not could you figure that but so guys, for a big haircut, so that a little bit for the quick tail, this is worth a lot more than this. This is standard item. So, okay guys, now I'm shook because we have Snow Leopard Slippers on trade and I need them. And I need them. Um, I thought they would stop that. I'm pretty sure that's an enter trade, but whatever. Yeah. Those are like my dream items. Cry. Well, guys, I think Sid unlimited on trade because it's a bad idea because saying that makes people think, oh, they don't want it, they don't need it. I can just like trade them half of what it's worth. So yeah. Because apparently he is 30. I don't think he is 30. I think that this is worth way less than this thing. So guys, I think possible to click and short this, but I personally am still just looking for good offers, like lists, or other sprites for my sprites. So yeah. Yeah, so I think this is pretty good masterpiece. Maybe like after this, I think. So guys, so I don't know why what this person is gifting me, just touching me out, but anyway, thank you so much for the rare golden husband. I'm pretty sure these were in the item box thing, so thank you so much for the talk. So guys, box said, I don't think it's going to be long, so not really talk about that one. Okay guys, I have these two things. I like these two items, but I rather think for like, I don't know, like, one of these for my own shirt color. That's pretty good idea. I don't know anymore. I just know I don't like it. So I don't know why I don't like it. I just don't. And I have this shirt as well. So I didn't get it. This is much under. Okay guys, so I've been offered a headset for my respect color. Sorry, it has been like, I don't even know how long. 2 hours since I even started recording this video. Because I just went AFK on Animal Jam for I don't even know how long to be. But, this headset is under, so, yeah. Guys, I don't even know anymore. Hey guys, so yesterday, I was not feeling very well at all. I'm feeling a little bit better today. I took my medicine, I drank some nice warm tea, and I'm back at it again today. And, yeah. So, I don't even know if in my life. That was yesterday though, so. But, I'm about to end this video, but I want to say something real quick. Wait, no, it's another key. Queen Ches, recently had got hacked, and they made a video about it on their channel. And guys, if you could please, like, I'm not even joking, this person was really nice to me. They gifted me a lot of items for my stream. They were nice to me, they subscribed. They're part of the Oil Army. And I just hate to see them in distress and they got hacked. And I have a feeling it's partly my problem as well because, well, I was making a stream, people kept getting hacked. I'm not even joking. People on my stream kept getting hacked. And the animals were deleted, the items were deleted, except some good items which stay there. And I just don't think that's very fair. So if you could please gift all the people that I gifted, comment on this video that you gifted them. I'll be sure to interview you in my giveaway video for the second time. If you aren't already entered, please check that out. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah. Honestly, you guys, I don't mind if you just gifted. I don't even know where people. So the thing is, I don't care if you just gifted like red shutter shades like I'm doing. I don't care if you just gifted rim, but I just feel like it would be bad for these people. But please do gift them or at least sympathize for them that they did get hacked. I know the feeling. I would love to get free rares in my mailbox, but I have the feeling of being hacked. I lost so much. I lost a rim headdress, I lost back spikes, I lost a beta tail. It's not fun, you guys. Here is another person who got hacked. As you can see, they only have these 3 animals now because they got hacked and they only had an eagle left. So please give WO1 FYAJ. This is Wolfie AJ, but I just wanted to make sure you knew that that was the one. With them, I think I'll just send them this top hat. I don't know, well, you think they're worth, so I think they're worth like a win each, or 1 or 2 wins each. And the last person, this is the last person, this is all the animals now. They were also only left with 1 animal, they recently bought these ones. And yeah. Okay guys, so I just realized I have like 2 of each of these hot things, 2 hot scarves, 2 hot balloons, 2 hot antennae. I think the thing I would need the least is a hot antennae because I don't really use those, and then if I do use them for, I'm not putting them away anytime soon. So yes, please, once again, please give these demos something, at least one little store-bought item. I don't care much what the item is. If you do, just go onto the video and go in the comment section, comment what you gifted them, who you gifted, and your using it. Thank you, and bye guys.